Creating tests doesn't need to take all day. Meet the AI question generator, the fastest way to create test questions in just seconds. It's a huge productivity boost, especially when managing multiple courses or large teams. While in a course, click Add, hover on Learning Activities, and then click Test. Click AI Generation and select From Content, in which the AI will review your content and produce the questions, or From Description, in which you add your prompts. Let's go with the first option. Check the units that the AI will review, select the number of questions, the language, and click Generate. The AI will produce the questions in just seconds. You can expand from here to see the questions and answers, edit them, or delete them. And there you have it, a complete test on exactly what is taught, nothing more, nothing less.